I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights. This is necessary because store apps live in protected folders. Once you have an admin account, open PowerShell as administrator and keep File Explorer ready. Identify the exact app name in Start. Spellings must match because you will query package information next. Make sure to pause and confirm the app is installed and running. Otherwise, you may not see package entries. Now run a simple listing command to fetch package identity so you can map its file path. You will run getApps package with the app name to reveal its metadata. This shows package family name and install location, which are the keys to the file location. Once done, copy the install location value and open File Explorer to that path. Many store apps use a package cache or a hidden Windows apps folder, so make sure you show hidden and system files. If install location is empty, query by package family name or check for architecture-specific packages to find the right entry. You now navigate to see /program files /Windows apps or the install location you copied. By default, Windows blocks access, so take ownership only when necessary. Once you take ownership and adjust permissions, you can inspect assets, config files, or binaries, but avoid editing signed executables unless you understand risks. If you get access denied, rerun commands as administrator, use Tacon and iCackles to change permissions, or boot into a recovery environment for advanced recovery. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most permission blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.